Fox International Channels is the biggest pay TV network in Hong Kong.
NUC is the blonde because I love Douglas First.
Nat Geo Wild. Yeah, we watch a lot. I like Nat Geo.
Lobster fish, just because of the they're so ugly and the insert fresh water, the birds is correct and so it's quite exciting to stay on the watch
American Idol is always a great college to watch with Star Wars.
I like Star Wars.
And I love Glee, because Glee is really good and there's so much brokenness in the world, and Glee makes it all better.
So our world is Australia's top world. I can't wait to tune into that. That's my favorite.
Hong Kong likes Fox International Channel. Log on to hklikesfox.com and tell us which is your favorite channel today. Red Hot Chili Peppers live! That Red Hot to 89 ring! Hey yo! To the Diamond Out Rockers, the I Rock Life, life that's love, everything now with you, but that's a trip to Hong Kong for two to watch Red Hot Chili Peppers live! That Red Hot to 89 ring! Tell us what you want from Stalemate. Coming to my town, email. Video request. Watch your favorite artists rock it out in your own private show. Be in command. Only here on Channel 8.